Hello friends, welcome to Simple Technical Solutions. I am Sunrit Hazra. Today I'm going to show you how to increase the clip end distance in Blender. The default clip end value in Blender may be a problematic value while viewing very large meshes. This is a common problem that people face while viewing very large meshes in Blender. In order to make these big meshes visible and resolve the issue, I have made today's video. Before we dive into today's tutorial, please consider subscribing for better content. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video. With that said, let's get started. So now let's open up Blender. And in Blender, I already have a large mesh imported, and this is the mesh of Earth. So the problem with this is when we zoom out, we cannot see this Earth fully, or it is not even visible. To resolve this issue, we just need to head to this little arrow at the right of the 3D viewpoint. So you have to just drag it and we will get this view. Under this view, you will be able to see this clip start and clip end values. So you have to just increase the clip end value. You have to just increase the clip end value to make the big mesh visible. So the more you increase, up to that much distance you could see, and the more you decrease, the less becomes visible. So the default value is 1000 meter, and the minimum value you can add here is 0.000001 meter, and the maximum is like infinity. You can enter it as much as you want, and you can make all of your things much more visible. So that was all for today. Hope you were able to resolve your issue with viewing large meshes in Blender. So that was all for today. Hope you liked this video and learned something new. Thanks for watching.